Hi, welcome back to this session. My name is Yani. I am your teacher for this course. So today we are going to start with our free master website development and digital marketing course. And in this model, we are going to start with the first model, which is model 1. And under model 1, we have professional website development. And under professional website development, we have so many subcategories, which is introduction to website development. So in this particular section, we shall and will be looking at what a website is, benefit learners stand to get after they master the skills of becoming a professional website developers. So let's dive in to our today's session. Now, what is a website? According to Wikipedia, a website is a collection of web pages and related content that is identified by a common domain and then hosting. So that means that any related web pages that's identified by a common domain and then hosting is termed as what? A website. Now, in our first video, which is the intro to this course, we were talking about, or we mentioned something about domain and hosting. That means that it is very important that before you can build a website or a professional website, you should have a domain and then a hosting. Even though this particular video is not meant for maybe discussing a domain and hosting and how you can acquire it, but then a little caveat of a domain is just a name that identifies a particular business or company on a web. That means that only one name is assigned to a business or company on the web, and no other business can have that same name. That is what we term as what? A domain, a unique name, just like our IDs, because your ID number only identifies you. Now, a hosting is just a powerful computer with high processing power that runs 24/7 with a lot of backups. So that means that a computer that will host all your web pages, which we mentioned in the definition, and a user can access your website at any time, anywhere, is what we term as what? A hosting. It means that there is a computer that holds these files, and then anyone in the world can access your website. Now, quite apart from we now knowing what a website is, then it is important for us to also discuss benefit that learners stand to get after they have the skills of becoming a website developer or web developers. Now, the first benefit is one, it is one of the most sought after jobs. In a sense that if you check on the web to see the most highly paid jobs, you will find it to be among the top 10 if you have the skills. So that means that the skills is one of the most sought after jobs. It's an industrial demand skills, and every business now needs a website. And you can see every day new businesses are coming online. So if you have the skills, you stand a chance of being a developer to this kind of website. Then second is, it is a high-paying job. Yeah, it is a high-paying job in the sense that when a company or business or an individual wants you to build a website for them, they'll pay you for that kind of service you are going to render for them. And you are going to charge them. And they'll be in a position to either bargain or negotiate before you start. And it's worth paying. Then you can work independently. If you have the skills, you don't need to be among teams to build website. You can just be a freelancer whereby you work alone and then you make the money that you want. You can become your own boss. You can work from anywhere. If you have the skills, it doesn't matter you need to be in Ghana or United States or United Arab Emirates to work. You can work at any place once you have the skills. Then it means that you can look for jobs and then or career opportunities and then build your stuff and then you start making money. Then it brings out and improves your creativity. Yeah, once you have the skills, you can then think out of the box. You can come up with career business opportunities. You can create your own maybe e-commerce site whereby people can start buying stuff. You can be building systems or a website for people and a whole lot. Then it is interesting and fun. You will love it when once you are doing it. It doesn't put much stress and it's full of fun. Then it also helps you to start solving problems because as you develop this kind of website, there are so many things you get to discover on your way as a professional website developer, and you begin to learn how to solve problems, especially in relation to this field and even outside website development. It is a job for the future. Let's face it, even during the pandemic, almost all the businesses move virtual online. That means that the future for any business has to be online. So it means that there is going to be a demand for professionals who have the skills of website developers. They are going to get hired and they are also going to get highly paid or start their own company and make the good out of it. So these are some of the benefits if you follow this course. At the end of the day, you are going to achieve. Now, quite apart from this, we also have, like I said, it doesn't matter where you are living. We are in Ghana here, but we are working with companies in the United States. We have been building websites and other systems for companies and individuals in the United States. And this is just a construct that has been given to us, our company, to build a charity website for them. And the amount of money in it alone, if I tell you, brother, you love it. And it's worth paying. So it doesn't matter your location, you just need to have the skills and then you are good to go. And as to the way and manner in which you are going to be getting the jobs, we shall take you to how, after having the skills, how can you use it to your own benefit. We are going to take you through that. So now, if you come to our website, which is After Ghana GH, I'm just going to take you through, if you go to our website, how you can get to the course session so that you can learn whatever content we are putting out there. So if you visit aptechga.com, the domain is aptech. The aptech is APPS and then tech, TECH, gene.com. So if you type this name into any URL on your browser, it's going to bring you to this landing page. So this is our landing page. You can see, and we've developed our site for ourselves. So we need not to pay someone to do it for us. You can go to our About Us and Co. But then our interest area is our school. So if you click on our school, then it is going to take you to our school. This is our learning section. And in our school here, if you scroll down, you are going to find that view courses. So you can click on view courses. And then it is going to take you to our current course. So our current course is free professional website development and digital marketing course. So it is free for you to learn. So you just click on click to start your free course. So if you click on that, it is going to take you to the registration. You need to register. The registration, you don't need to pay anything. The course is totally free, but we need to have your information so that we can assist you in case you need help. So you just fill in your details and then you scroll down and then click register to submit. If you already have an account, you just click already have an account, then log in and to take you to the courses. So if you click on register, then after it has been successful registered, then it will take you straight to our course content where the learning takes place. And in here, you can see the courses in there. So the first one in which we uploaded is Introduction to Free Website and Digital Marketing Training. So after you finish watching this first video, you move to the second video. We have designed the course content in such a way that it doesn't take much time. And you can learn using your smartphone, your computer, or any smart device with internet connection. And it doesn't matter your location, anywhere and at any time. The course is there for you to learn. So this is what we learned in this course, in this session. So our next session, we shall be looking at creating a personal Gmail account, because you need to have a personal Gmail account before you can buy a domain and host it. And we have so many people even come to us for us to help them to create a personal Gmail. And as someone who understands people and solve people problems every day, I thought it necessary that I should bring a content that will teach people how to create a personal Gmail account. So that's why it is our next content to come. So see you in the upcoming video. Thank you for your time.